till now, till exercise 3.6 also, we are doing multiplications and we are increasing the levels stepwise. First row method, next column method, next double digit, and how to replace the one's digit and how to carry the other digit to the next place. These all. And today in exercise 3.7 we are going to multiply 3-digit number. Okay, we are going to multiply 3-digit number. Once look here, look carefully. If you understand one, you can do how many they give also. That's very easy. You should know the method to do it. You understand? Look here, 6 is there. Okay, we have to multiply 151. So see, first 6 ones are 6, exactly in one's place. 6 5s are 30, right? 30 means 0 down you will write here, and you will carry this 3 to hundreds place. We learned this already before. We carry the 3 to the next place, that is here hundreds place. Now 6 ones are 6. What I said, you will multiply this, and to that one you will add the thing which is written above the head. Okay, 6 ones are 6. 6 now plus 3, 7, 8, 9. You understand? This is the way to multiply. If we know how to multiply, we can do, as I said, we can do how many they give also, we can do it. 3 3s are 9. Next, 3 8s, 24. For your sake I am writing here. So first 4 you write down here. Okay. Now 2 is there. 2 will be carried to the next place. Right? Now 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Here 2 is there. 7, 8. Okay? Look here. 2 4s are 8. Okay? 2 8s are 16. Again I am writing here. So, one's place number write down here. Now, remaining 1 is there. So, carry it on to the next place. Do you understand? Carry it on to the next place. Now, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Here 1 is there. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay? Another one. 4 4s are 4 4s are how much? 16. So as I said, once place digit down you will write, and this 1 will be carried to the next place. Do you understand? Now 4 4s are 16. Here 1 is there. 16 plus 1, 17. Okay. Now 17. So 7 one's place write it down. This 1 will be carried to the next place. Do you understand? If double digit is there, one's place number write it down, and the other number carry it to the next place. Now 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Once again, look here. 3 5s are 15. Okay, 15. Right? Now, this 5 will write here, and what will do to this one? Very good. We will carry it to the next place. Finish. Now again, 3 1s are 3. Here 1 is there. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9. Nothing is there, no? No need to add. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now here again. 3 7s are 21. As we know, one's place number will write it down. What about this tens place number? We will carry to the next place. Finish. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. Now 3 2s are 6. Here anything is there? Nothing. So 3 2s are 6. Nothing is there to add. So 6. Okay. So like this, slowly if you practice, you can surely do how many digits they give also. If you look here children, again we are doing more for practice. Listen carefully. 4 3s are 12. As you know, ones place digit you will write it down and the tens place digit will be carried to the next place. Finish now? Now 4 2s are 8. 8 here 1 is there. 8 plus 1 9. Now 4 2s are 8. But here anything is there? Nothing to add. So 4 2s are 8. Okay? Now 4 8s are how much? 32. So this 2 you will write in one's place and the 3 will be carried to the next place. Clear? 4 1s are 4. Here 3 is there, we have to add. 4 1s are 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 2s are 8. Here nothing is there now to add. So 4 2s are 8. Okay? Now 9 1s are 9. 9 zeros are 0. 9 1s are 9. This is very easy, no? Next. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Exactly under those places only I am writing if you observe. 3 3s are 9. 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. Okay? Now 2 4s 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. So did you understand? If you get double digit, how to write the ones place digit down and the tens place digit will be carried to the next place. There you will add that to that multiplicated product. Okay? Like this you have to do them. If you look at this sum children, this is from exercise 3.8. Rahana collects 10 rupees coins. Which rupees coins? 10 rupees coins. If she has collected 8 coins, 10 rupees coins, how many she collected? 8 coins she collected. How much money does she have? 10 rupees coins are there. How many are there? 8 are there. Now they are asking us, how much money does she have? So first, Rahana, this is the solution she has. Rahana collects 10 rupees coins. Okay? 10 rupees. If you want, you can write here rupees. This is the symbol for rupee. Okay? 10 rupees coins. How many she collected? She collected how many? 8 coins. Okay, she collected 8 coins. Now, what they are asking, how much money she have? So, money she have. Now we have to find out. How see? 8 zeros are 0 and 8 ones are 8. Okay, this is rupees. Means how much money she have? 80 rupees. 10 rupees coins, she have 8 coins. So, how much she have means you have to multiply. If you multiply, you get the amount, 80 rupees. That is the amount she have. Okay? So, here itself it is the Rahana collects. I wrote here the working whole. I did not bring it from somewhere. So, 10 rupees. So, collected. She collected how many? 8. So, money she have. How much? 80 rupees. Okay? Here if we look at this children, there are 29 candles in a packet. A packet, candle packet is there. In that how many candles are there? 29 candles are there. how many candles will 4 such packets will have? One packet 29 candles. Like those packets, how many are there? 4 packets are there. So total 4 packets, how many candles? Do you understand? One packet 29 candles. 4 packets, how many candles? Means if you multiply that 29 with 4, you will get how many candles are there totally in 4 packets. Let us do it. Solution. So, candles in a packet. Candles in a packet. How many are there? 29 are there. Okay. Now, how many candles will 4 such packets have? How many packets are there? Number of packets. NO dot means number, children. Number of packets. How many? 4 are there. Okay. So, what they are asking? Total candles. In means in 4 packets, how many are there? They are asking us. Let us multiply. 4 9s are 36. As we know, the 1's place digit will be brought down and the 10's place digit will be carried to the next place. Finish. 4 2's are 8. Here 3 is there. 8 plus 3. 8 after 9, 10, 11. Okay. So, 11 means like this only, no? So, 1's place number you write in the digit exactly, the below the digit you have to write. Then what about this one? What you will do then? You will carry it to the next place. But anything is there here next place? Nothing is there. So bring it down. That's all. Do you understand? Here nothing is there, so bring that one down. Okay. 4 9s are 36. 6 you will write here. 3 will be carried to the next place. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. 11 is there. So, this one you will write in the place and this one will be carried to the next place. As we know, the 10th place digit will be carried to next place. But here under one, no digit is there. So, you will write that one down. Okay. So, now total 4 packets, how many candles? 116 candles. If you look at this one, there are 125 houses in a street. Okay, there is a big street. In that street, how many houses are there? 125 houses are there. How many houses are there in 5 streets? One street, 125 houses. 5 streets, how many houses? Okay, solution. Houses in a street. Houses in a street. How many? 125. Number of streets. How many they give? Number of streets? 5. Okay, 5. What you have to find out? Houses in 5 streets. Houses in 5 streets. Okay. Now multiplication. 5 5s are 25. Right? 1's place 5. Where will write? Exactly in 1's place. Finish. Now this 2 will be carried to the next place. Okay, clear. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Here 2 is there. 10 plus 2, 11, 12. Okay, 12. For your understanding, I am writing here again. 12. In this again, 2 will be written exactly under that place. What will carry to the next one? 1 will be carried to the next place. Okay, now this also completed. Slowly you do, then you will get practice. At last, you will do within seconds. 5 1s are 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, 6. So, how many houses are there in 5 streets? 625 houses are there. Okay.